How to create a professional LinkedIn account step by step. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a professional LinkedIn account step by step and also beginner friendly. So let's just get into the topic. First of all, you need to open a Google tab and search for LinkedIn and just click on the first web link, and you have to sign up for LinkedIn, and you can just give your email password or continue with Google. I'm going to continue with Google with this account and agree and join. And after that, you can see they want to do a first security checks. Pick the image that is the correct way up. So we'll just click on this one. Done. Verification complete. Now it will take us to the LinkedIn website, and the location should be New York, United States. After that, we'll click on next. Uh, Most recent job title. So let's say the most recent job title was marketing expert, and click on marketing expert. And let's give the employment type as full time. Most recent company, just I'm just making it for knowledge purpose. So let's go with Facebook, or we can just go with Kindwood and click on continue. And after that, they say, are you looking for a job? Your response is only visible to you. Yes, I'm actively looking for a new job. Not really, but would consider the right opportunity. No, I'm not. So we'll click on yes, I'm actively looking for a new job. So after that, they are asking me what kind of job are you looking for. Let's say with marketing specialist, and job locations should be on New York, United States. You can also add other like remote job, or you can also add other locations like Texas, United States. You can also uh, give multiple, you can give actually multiple job locations. So after that, we'll click on next, and here says that marketing specialist Texas, United States, marketing specialist New York, United States. Okay, we'll click on next, and now share with recruiters. Let recruiters know you are open to new jobs. Okay, we'll click on next. Your phone camera, get the app to stay ahead. We'll just click on next. And here, as you can see, there are multiple guys here. It says connect with people you know to view their professional update. So we'll just skip for now. We just have to create our professional LinkedIn profile today. So as you can see, it took me to the home page of the LinkedIn. Now we have to enter our personal details, like country, location, postal code and all. So for that, we will click on the me section and click on view profile, and we will edit everything here, like let's say you have to give a nice professional profile image here. uh, you can add your own, and you can just give a cover page like here, as this is a marketing expert LinkedIn profile. So I can give here a marketing related poster or like something like that. You can give on your job basis, or based on your expertise, and we can just click on profile language and add language. Like we can choose other languages, like let's say German, We'll give our first name Ricky and last name Vale, and headlines. uh, okay, let's go to chat GPT, and that will help us more to enhance our profile. So let's say make a headline for me as a marketing specialist on LinkedIn. Okay, so here are a few LinkedIn headline options. We can use one of them. So we'll just select the result oriented one, performance marketing specialist, delivering ROI through targeted campaigns and analytics, and paste it here. And click on create a profile. Done. We can also see here uh, the intro section and additional name. Let's give the additional name Bricks and choose visibility, only your connections, your network, all LinkedIn members. And here they say select the pronoun. You should definitely select the pronoun here, as I'll go with he or him. And the headline is marketing expert at Kindwood. The headline can be, the headline should be this. I've just generated. And okay, now industry construction and education. Add new education. Education is due here, so let's say Boston University. University. Click on that. We'll just say bachelor's. Field of study like business, administration and management. Let's select a date like 2016, and date, let's say April 2019, and the grade should be first. And we can also give the activity, write a activity or and society description for LinkedIn profile as a student in Boston University. So now it will generate the information I'm expecting. Activities and society. Will just simply copy it, and you can make it more attractive. You can make it more attractive by giving more specific prompts and all. And you can add descriptions here like this, and you can add skills like as a project management. You can also add multiple skills like marketing. Currently in the secret node result found. Okay, SEO, marketing. You can also edit market marketing strategy and SEO, search engine optimization, and you can add many more here. And you can also add some images like your working experience, and which will show the working experience of yours, like a documents format or a site or presentations. And you just have to click on save. After that, your profile has been saved. You also update your secondary language profile. It says, so we'll go with no thanks. And after that, uh, education added. Next, share this update to your network. You can also share a post now, or you can share on next. And after that, uh, it's been a while since I've completed my children, and you can also post it or just let it be. Discard. You can ask for a recommendation to boost your credibility to your friend or a colleague, and you can also add a postal code and save. You can also give your contact number and email addresses here. You can also upload your CV here. You can also add some licenses or certifications and projects in that, including certificates like you get from Coursera, Google, AWS, etc. And you can add standout personal or freelance projects. You can include links or uploads or to portfolios, presentations, like I've already told you. You can turn on open to work, like it says it's already open. uh, and you can also select all LinkedIn members, recruiters only. I'll let it be recruiters only. And after that, you can start connecting. You can add colleagues, classmates, and professionals in your industry. As here you can see people you may know. You can just click on connect and you can connect with them. It's on pending. If they accept it, you'll on their profile and be connected. And you can also share a post which will get like, comment, and share industry relevant content quickly. You can post valuable insights, achievements, or ask thoughtful questions. So that's it for this video about how you can create a professional LinkedIn account on 2025 for beginners. And hope you like the video and it's helpful for you. Like, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment below what type of video do you want next. And stay happy and stay blessed. See you on the next video.